Okay, this is the Arkansas equivalent of a blizzard. This is our blizzard. 2021, February 16th. No, February 15th.
Yeah.
Of course, as you can see, it's not covered the roads yet. We had quite a bit of snow drifted out in front of our steps because the wind's blowing from the north, but still got ice left over from the original ice storm. We're taking it slow, just checking out the conditions. And our Jeep, little black Jeep, 4-wheel drive. It's starting to get a little deep back here, ain't it?
Yeah, that's the drifts.
Yeah. Where there's a blockage, it seems to drift. If there's something blocking the north wind, if there's nothing blocking it, then it seems to blow just kind of straight through. But it's white, powdery snow, not wet snow, so it's seeing just clears off a little more when there's nothing blocking the wind. This is just the first snowstorm that's going to come through. We're going to get another one. It's going to come through Wednesday. Today's Monday. We're supposed to have another one come through on Wednesday. They put this gravel down since the last time we were down this road.
Yep. Yeah, it used to be mud hole.
Yep.
Mud hole. We lost the road.
I think we found a road. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think so. This is running north and south. So you can see where it's starting to pile up a little more. It drifts more over there on the side than it does.
Can always get out of the field.
Yeah. It seems to be piling up more on this road. Getting a little deeper.